Hey there! Today we're diving into a tricky problem that involves finding the minimum subarray of a certain size. The twist is that we need to ensure that in this subarray, there are more elements in one array that are bigger than elements in another array. Quite a puzzle, right? Let's talk about the solution to this problem. The provided code snippet offers a clever approach to tackling the issue. By leveraging the bisect module, the script sorts the indices of the arrays based on their values. Then, it checks whether the subsets of the arrays meet the specified criteria, iterating through the values in parallel. The binary search method is utilized to find the smallest subarray length that satisfies the conditions. It's a neat and efficient strategy to address the problem at hand. In summary, we've explored a smart solution using binary search and array manipulations to find the optimal subarray lengths. By breaking down the steps and leveraging key Python functionalities, the script efficiently determines the desired subarray. And there you have it, a solution that optimizes the process and yields the desired outcome. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Happy coding!